What's going on YouTube? In this video, I'm going to share with you my real earnings in 1 week as a Lyft XL driver. Thanks for coming by. I'm Nick. This is my channel. My channel is dedicated to helping you earn more money as an Uber or Lyft driver. I've been driving for Lyft for over a year and a half, and I've been driving for Uber for over a year and a half. I've done Uber X, the Lyft economy rides, and now I'm doing Lyft XL, Lyft Lux, Lux Black, and Lux Black XL. But in this video, I'm gonna share with you all my earnings and my pay from 1 week driving as a Lyft XL driver. To all my subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing and supporting me on this journey. I do appreciate you. I will be doing a monthly giveaway once we hit 1,000 subscribers. So if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and smash the bell because I will only be doing the giveaways during my live streams and you don't want to miss the notification. And yes, I will be giving away dash cams worth $200. So here's a couple stats from me, guys, like just so you know. I have a 5-star rating. I've given over 1,500 rides with Lyft, just so you have an idea of who I am and how many rides I've done. So you can take my word for it, so you see that I am actually a driver. I know it's important to some people, so you know you're not getting fake stats here. So I want to open up my driving history. I'm going to scroll back a couple weeks so you can really see what it looks like a full week driving for Lyft XL. So I want to scroll back when everything's in full swing here in the city so you can really see what it looks like. Let's go right here. I like April 29th to May 5th. I did 36 rides. Let's check out and see what's going on there. Looks like $1,211 in 36 rides, and that was about 46 hours right there. And if you do the math on that, so it's about $26 an hour. Not bad if you're just doing, total time online. But I just want to note that I am on call, so I'm not actually driving that whole time. I do spend a lot of time sitting and waiting, and I have a lot of downtime. Ride earnings were $763.65. Tips were $107. That's well more than 10% of my ride earnings, which is really awesome. Thumbs up to that. I'm not bragging, but I really like to hit at least 10%. And when my tips are over 10%, I'm really, really happy. A lot of times what I do for that is just like talk to people, smile, keep a clean car. Those are like the basic things that you can do. Those will help earn you tips. Bonuses were $325.91. Tolls were $14.50. All right, let's get into some rides, guys. Let's see what's going on here. Guys, if you want to see Lux Ride Pay and how I make that money, go ahead and comment Lux Ride Pay so I know that you want to see it. And also, if you're a Lyft driver, go ahead and comment yes. And if you're not, go ahead and comment no. I really like to know who I'm talking to in these videos. All right, let's open up this and see what kind of money I made on this Lyft XL ride. All right, so I made $54.06 on this ride. The total ride earnings were $20.61. The tips were $9.38. That's like well over 20% even. That's like 40%. That's really awesome. That was late. Somebody was drinking and they were easy to give a good tip when you're drinking. I love that. And the bonuses were $24.07. That means that there was high demand at that time. As you can see, it was late in the evening. Not a lot of drivers out. A lot of people need rides. So that's when the bonuses go up and the surges go up. I'll take that all day. I mean, look, my bonus was more than the ride. So let's break that down per hourly rate. So that's $54, and that total ride was 17 minutes. So let's round it up to 20 minutes. And let's say $55. So I could do like 3 of those, right? 20 minutes into 60 minutes, that's 3. Into an hour, that's 3. So 3 of those rides is about $165 an hour. That's $165 an hour rate when you drive an XL. Guys, you really might want to think about upgrading your vehicle here. I drive in Boston. It's a really good market for the XL. But if you're in another market, you really want to, feel free to reach out to me. I'll try and help you figure out what's best in your market. I'll point you in the right direction. I'll even help let you know if you should even upgrade your vehicle. I upgraded my vehicle without asking these questions. I kind of went in blind, and I just bought a newer vehicle, and I took a chance. That's who I am. You may not be as much of a risk taker as a chance taker as me. So let's talk about it. If you want to upgrade your vehicle, let's figure out if it's a good option for you. Let's go back. Let's check out another ride. All right, so my total ride earnings were $15.11. Bonuses were $25. Once again, here we go, guys. Here's the bonuses that you get at night when you drive, especially in the premium modes. That's a $25 bonus. That is multiplied from the regular bonus you get on Lyft economy rides, right? So it's much higher. My ride earnings were $15. And the total ride was not even 10 minutes long, and I'm making $40. If you multiply that out per hour, that's 10 minutes goes into an hour 6 times. So 6 times 40, we're talking $240 an hour rate when you drive in the premium mode in the Lyft XL. All right. So I just want you to think about that. If you can drive late at night, you're gonna get some nice bonuses, some nice rides.